For problem number 35, we're looking at a table where your sale price is in thousands of dollars and your number of new homes available. So if you were to make an axis, you've got your sale price. As that sale price increases, your number of homes is going to decrease. So your number of homes starts out high when your sale price is low, and then as your sale price starts to increase, those homes start to drop. There's fewer of them available on the market. So sale price is P, number of homes is F of P. It says state the linear regression, so that means linear. When you key this into your TI Inspire, you're going to choose linear regression. So your F of P is going to be negative 0.79 plus X, you've got to put your variable, which would be P, not X. The calculator is going to tell you X, and then plus 249.86. Please close read. It says the nearest hundredth. You don't want to go out too far or not far enough. And now it says state the correlation coefficient. This is also going to be in your calculator, negative 0.95. You can already tell up here from your little sketch that you drew, it is a negative relationship. As the sale price increases, the number of homes available goes down. It says explain what this means in the context of the problem. So it's all fine and good if you say it's a negative linear relationship. And it's all fine and good if you say that it's a good fit, right? It's negative 0.95, it's close to 1, so it's a good fit. Good approximation, but that is not what they are asking. They say in the context of this problem. So if you include that, that's great. But what they want to say, it's a strong negative. The higher the price of the house, the fewer homes available. So as sale price increases, the number of homes decreases. So be real aware in the context of this problem means you need to read what's happening in this problem.